Voices for children in the court system. 23 ABC's Alyssa Flores is in studio for us tonight to tell us about the difference these advocates are making and how you may be able to get involved as well. Alyssa.
Jackie, there are 73 children on a wait list that need Casa advocates, and this graduating class tonight will cut that list in half. A Casa advocate volunteers to be assigned to one or multiple children who have been abused or neglected. They are responsible for representing the best interest of the child in the court system and often serve as the most steady person in the lives of the children they serve. 42 hours of rigorous training are required to be a Casa. Tonight we spoke with Paul Linder, who used to work for the Department of Corrections and saw a lot of inmates who came from dysfunctional homes.
I think this is an opportunity for me to work the other end of that. Instead of dealing with them after they've already been incarcerated and as a result of a dysfunctional home, maybe I can have an impact that would keep a child from going down that same path.
Kern County Casa says the ideal advocate has common sense, is kind and consistent. Now, being a Casa advocate, if that is something you think that you might be interested or you know somebody who would be a good fit, check out their website. There are a couple of orientations coming up next week on December 4th and a couple days after that as well. Reporting in studio, Alyssa Flores, 23 ABC.
3 men are behind bars tonight in connection